How to make money through affiliate marketing. Working with an affiliate to sell products can be a great source of income, but only if you take the time to properly market their goods. To see success, you need to draw customers to your links, convince them to click them, and get them to buy the products they see. Here are a few tips that will help you do just that. Check current news headlines to see if you can use them to your internet marketing advantage. A news story on electrical outages, for example, is perfect for you if you are in the solar industry. Use news stories for blog post ideas and real-life examples of why your product or service is a necessary purchase. Keep affiliate marketing sites organized by tagging all of the posts. Tags help visitors find the content important to them. It also helps search engines understand which keywords are relevant to the site. Make the tags as descriptive as possible in order to generate traffic to the site and increase profits. When joining an affiliate marketing program, be aware of the time commitment required to see a significant return. Affiliate marketing is not a passive income source. You need to be out there actively promoting the product or service of the parent company if you want people to follow your links and buy the product. Pay for a professional logo. It's worth the investment to look put together and professional. If your web page and logo look like you did it yourself on a Saturday night after dinner, your customers will notice, and they may not want to put their faith or money in the hands of someone who doesn't look like they know what they are doing. First impressions count. Affiliate marketing takes a lot of work, but it also has a lot of rewards. The advice in this video should give you plenty of ways to make your relationship with your affiliates a profitable one. Putting a little extra effort into your marketing will help your wallet get a little bit fuller. Student loan.